Hello friends, my name is Rahim. In today's video I will tell you about color correction in PicsArt. So at the very first you want to import your image which has a best detail in highlights, shadows and reflections. Now open Tools from down left corner and select Adjust from it. Then select Saturation and make its value to +100. Now adjust your brush preset like me and follow my steps. Now click this icon to make an inversion. First, you want to identify highlights in your image as a best thing. In this image highlights are located at these lines. Then I drawed them with my brush. Now adjust the brightness level to less than -45. Now adjust your brush preset like me and follow my steps. After inversion, draw at bottom of your canvas. It plays a dramatic role in your image. Select Tilt, Shift from Tools section. Adjust Linear Blur according to your subject, 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 subject,